issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wayne County, northwestern Preble County, southern Darke County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Union City to near Centerville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Greenville, Eaton, Centerville, Arcanum, Union City, New Paris, New Madison, Fountain City, Webster, Wayne Lakes, Gettysburg, El Dorado, West Manchester, Greens Fork, Spring Grove, Bethel, Hollinsburg, Palestine, and Ithaca. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 140 and 156. I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 11.